Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be about what I eat in a day. Before we get started, let me ask you to please like and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. I've switched to healthy eating and I start off my day with a lot of liquids. First, I have the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar diluted with some lukewarm water. After a short break, I break my fast with some overnight soaked almonds and green tea. It's lemon, honey, and green tea. This is how I break my fast and then move on to the heavier breakfast that is mostly bread and avocado, guacamole, avocado toast, and a fruit by its side. I add a lot of veggies to my avocado and it also is healthy. Otherwise, sometimes I go for bread, eggs, and a lot of stir fried veggies. Here we have sauteed mushrooms and broccoli in butter and pepper. And then I follow it up with juice. This is beetroot, turmeric, and bottle gourd. And after a short break, I have a snack that is mostly a fruit, an apple here with some jeera and soft water that I have soaked overnight. I have this snack after 2 hours of breakfast, and the fruits are different. Some days I opt for berries. Berries are high in antioxidants. And then when it's time for lunch, I have a lot of protein with salads. Here I just chop off cucumber, I find it easy, and then add black salt and some homemade masala mix. It's actually roasted chilies and jeera, and add some lemon to this, and this salad tastes heavenly. You should try it. That's it. My lunch mostly, I love fish. I'm from Orissa and I mostly add some salad to it, and that's it. I try to avoid rice, but sometimes if I really crave rice, I have some portion of herbed rice with paneer, which is protein again, with fish fry. Just trying to control the portions and add salad here again. Otherwise, I do a rice dal and fish fry. That's my favorite. For my evening snack, I offer a khakra. It's a masala khakra here with the leftover guacamole, and it tastes so good. This is my evening snack, and I follow it up with a black coffee. I like black coffee. Sometimes I add jaggery to it. Otherwise, on its own, it's great. It's time for dinner, and for dinner I try to do a lot of soups. Here I'm doing a chicken soup with a lot of veggies. It's actually a chicken stew, and I add lemon to it. It tastes good and it's filling. The soups I opt for depends on my mood. Sometimes I do a broccoli and tomato soup, or a mushroom broccoli soup, and then post dinner I have my green tea again. And that's how I wrap up my day. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.